pieces, not all of them. I have a bunch of them. Maybe eventually I'll show them all. I'm announcing that I'm hosting a summer collab. For the first day of summer will be June 21st. If you want to participate in the collab, you have to post any time on June 21st, the first day of summer collab. Now, you're going to have to film it and you're going to have to make it and post it on your channel. I'm not going to be taking others' recipes and making it. A collab is that you film it and post it to your channel. If you want to participate, let me know in the comments that you will be participating. And you make any summer dish. It can be dessert, it can be a drink, or it can be any dish that you want to make. I hope that everybody understands how to do a collab and how to participate. I'll see you on June 21st. Don't forget to let me know that you want to participate.